Apple is one of the delicious fruits we have in this farm here. Guys, the only problem and a big one when you are farming your apples is the birds. How do you scare birds away from your farm? My name is Geoffrey. Welcome to my channel. I'm the Young Farmer. So today we'll be showing you the easiest way you can use this. Guys, when you use this paper, it will scare all the birds in your farm. The notorious one like the mouse bird. And destroy all your apples. So if you want to scare away the mouse bird, I would advise those farmers, kindly try using this. When you use these flowers, it's a biological way of scaring away the birds. This flower reflects the light from the sun, and due to the way its shapes and the way it is, so many reflections come from this flower. So it will find that when the light is being reflected, it hit the mouse bird high, and biologically they will be feeling irritated by that light from the reflection here. So this is the only way and the 100% way which can guarantee mouse bird out of your farm. Thank you guys for watching.